if you have chest pains, think about your friends. Think about your friends. When you feel a fever or if you sweat at night, look out for the signs. Look out for the signs. Haybo Wena, hey, use your elbow when you cough. Haybo Wena, hey, use your elbow when you cough. Hey, hey, Nina, hey, use your elbow when you cough. Hey, hey, Nina, hey, use your elbow when you cough. When you're in a taxi and when your cough won't stop, see your doctor now, see your doctor now. So when you've got that cough and people are around, what you gonna do? What you gonna do?